Hi everybody, it is Miss Adriana with Imagine Your Backyard, and we are here in my backyard. And we are going to work on learning how to do storytelling with just stuff that you have around your house. So I am doing what I call story in a basket, and all you need are just a few things that are important to the story, and the rest you just use your imagination with. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So in my basket, I have Oreos and marshmallows and a bowl of breadcrumbs. All right, can anybody guess what story we're doing? If you guessed Hansel and Gretel, then you were correct. Hey, Hansel, get over here. I've enlisted help from my son Luke, who is playing the role of Hansel. I'm going to be playing the role of Gretel. I did not have a Wicked Witch. This is where our imagination comes in. Sometimes you might not have enough players. That's perfectly fine. Use the rest for your imagination. Okay, here's our last stick. All right. I think that's enough firewood, don't you?
Yeah.
All right, let's go find Papa. Now, we were using breadcrumbs to track where we were, right?
Yeah.
Well, how come I don't see the breadcrumbs?
Because it goes.
Hansel, we're lost. How are we supposed to find our way back? Moss. That's real helpful. Thank you, Hansel.
Well, it only grows on one side of trees.
I can't even with you right now. Oh, look! There's a house! Come on, Hansel! It's getting dark, and Papa's gonna be worried about us. It's actually bird gone. Look at... Knock, knock, knock. It sure is a tasty looking house.
Mm-hmm.
And I am hungry. We should eat it. What do you think? Maybe not. Maybe somebody does live here.
Yeah, like a gingerbread man.
Oh! Hello, kind woman. We've lost our way home and we need some help. Can you help us?
Yes, I can.
Oh, thank you, kind woman. Thank you. May we come in while we wait?
Yes, you may.
Thank you so much. We just need to know how to get back to the beginning of the woods. Can you help us with that?
Come in, my pretties.
Thank you so much. Let's go inside the house.
Okay.
Oh boy. The whole house is made of candy. This looks awesome. It
Wow.
looks really delicious. You know, I'm kind of hungry. Hansel, are you hungry?
Why don't you eat my house?
Oh, I would love to eat your house. Like, trust me. Trust. Like, would love. Let's eat her house, Hansel.
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm gonna fatten them up.
Did you hear what she said?
Maybe.
Did she say she was gonna fatten us up? Mm-hmm. That's what you heard? That's what I heard.
I'm gonna bake them in the oven.
Did you hear that?
I haven't seen our way out.
Did she say that she's gonna bake us in the oven?
Yeah.
Okay, so
We should eat our way out.
here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put her in the oven. And then we gonna run like super fast.
How about we eat her?
We are not cannibals, Hansel. That's not how the story works.
Just a
Thank
few
you.
more pounds and I can eat them.
But she's not a human.
Okay, so she is a human, which is our humans. My God. So we're gonna push her into the oven, and then we're gonna run.
Yeah, but she's green.
Oh my God, let's go. Act right. Ha! She's in the oven. Let's go. Run! Run! Run!
I'm still
Run! Was that not fun? All right. It is perfectly okay to retell stories however you want to tell them, and do it in a way that you're able to do. So use whatever you have and use your imagination.
Like I'm a cannibal.
Use your siblings, your cousins, your parents, whoever, and just have a blast. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this episode of Imagine Your Backyard. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.